buddy. Here we go. Doing the Grove. Boom. Boom. Excuse me. Now, you know what? So we've called this the Grove. And I know everybody right now, everybody's saying to me, Randy, those trees are going to be my magnificent huge. Magnificent huge. And I know these are Lelands, and they can get 20 foot tall and they get 10 foot wide, and they won't have a front yard anymore. All right, I'm not sure I'm going to keep these here, but I've got a ton of them. I've loaded the truck up, and I want to get them out because it's going to rain, and I like to get them out here in this direct sun. So what we found is the Grove is I want to put a lot of trees, but I probably will put some crabapple cherry trees, and I want to line the entire road, and we're going to order them and put them in like now. So in about 5 years, hopefully 10, it'll be like an absolute archway going through there in the spring, and all the flowers and the blooms going. They're gonna have to be trimmed. This is a tight little community. It was completely designed exactly like this. And in my mind, I've told you guys time and time again, it's kind of like a row house community where homes are absolutely almost built next to each other, and the decks all the way across were hooked. You can like talk to your neighbor when you come out your door. This is going to have some more privacy than that. I would love to put more shrubs and stuff through here. We got a privacy wall that'll start right here on this corner, and it goes right there, right? All the ends of the privacy walls will be the same down, so when you pull through there, it's all nice and uniform with trees and fencing and all that. And then I'd like to put some shrubs and trees in here, and it'll grow up wild. To me, I love trees up against my house. I love them to be just like a jungle in here, right? But that's how we're gonna do it. You can trim them back if you need. We're gonna play around with this. I'm not a landscaper. I'm not even is it an arborist? I'm a treeist.
You're not even a tree.
I'm a busherist. But I'm gonna drive the truck, and we're gonna put more of these out here so we can, I don't know, I just want it to start looking like what we're doing. The guys are putting a rototiller together, and we're rototilling all this up, and we're gonna get some seed and straw. You gotta order it, get it set up, stage. It's gonna rain, wanna get some grass growing. Yep. It's hopping, everybody. So this is what we're doing. This is the Grove. Look down through there. There'll be a privacy fence between the Grove and the building, the black building. So we're gonna put a nice fence down there. So when you pull in, I'm gonna put a fence. Let me show you here, Amanda, what we got planned. And I wanna use a wooden fence. I know a metal fence lasts longer, but I want a wooden fence here.
I do too.
And I'm gonna have it, we're gonna block in the Grove. And I'm gonna take that outside fence right here to the corner, and then we're gonna do another one to the next street. And I'm not sure yet, I may have us a sliding gate here and completely close off the Grove.
Yeah.
I don't know, I'd like to get where this Grove is just a little kind of microcosm or whatever you call that, you know, like a little snow globe. This is kind of our project. The beach, I've got the same plans for the beach. We got some palm trees ordering, some beautiful sand. The courtyard's gonna be done. This is coming on, everybody. So we're excited. You guys stay with us and watch how this evolves. I know there's all kinds of opinions no matter what you do. I could wear a white shirt or a pink shirt or red, and there's always gonna be opinions. And I love it. And I love stirring controversy. And I love, you know, people being like challenged about what we're doing and how we're doing it and how's it gonna make it happen. And like I said, I always tell everybody, I've always been a late bloomer, and I always look like I'm falling down, and I look like, oh my God, he's never gonna make it. I'm that duck, man, that flops everywhere. Yeah. It's like, oh my God, he's shot. But that's my disguise. I look like I'm not gonna make it, but I'll be at the finish line.
Yep.
That's it.
We're gonna make it.
We're gonna make it.
Yep.
So here you guys got it. We're stuck on some houses. We're painting. We got people that are already coming in to the Grove that are wanting to move into their homes. We got electricity being fired up. Got the guys trying to level everything up and getting it going. So it is a challenge, but I'm glad I'm alive today.
Yeah.
Making it happen.
Yeah.
Everybody, thank you for watching. Stay tuned to us. We'll bring you some more videos of how this community, the Grove of 72 homes, is going to evolve and have people in here within the next 30 to 60 days. Now, some people aren't going to be moving in until June, July. They don't need to come in here. They're going to wait for it all to be done. Some people need their homes like yesterday. And that's what we're trying to get going.
All right.
All right, everybody. Thank you for tuning in. I got to get some trees going here. I'm going to set them here so we can water them, and they still got to rototill everything.